Alright, Secret DIY here. Today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to be showing you how to put laminate flooring down. Now, what we're doing here is basically I'm putting the underlay for the laminate flooring, and it's just something out of B&Q that I got. You can get different types, but I got the cheapest possible really. You get different lengths of obviously what you need. I really needed 5 square metres and that's what it come into. Now, a little tip for you is why we get straight into it, is what I've got done here is I've got an overlap for the obviously the underlay. So all I do is basically, this is how good the stuff is. I'm at the end now. So the little thing is all I've done is you can cut it with a Stanley knife. So I've got my Stanley knife and obviously I've cut it over. So what I'm going to do is go down off the lines that are made for you and just go around like that. Now what happens now is, as you can see, it cuts through both layers. So then what you do is you pick this layer up and you take that out. And then just go around the room and that's sound. Also you can put some masking tape to keep these joints together, anything you want. That's what I sometimes do, just to make sure that they stay down. So, right. Right, with that said, we'll get cracked on and I'll start showing you how to put the laminate flooring down. So you got your gear down and now you're going to start putting your first bit down. This is important, right? So what I like to do is, first things first, I like to get a little loft cut. These come in all the same size. It's just an old off cut because I haven't got the trim yet. I'm going to have to go nip to B&Q and get it. And all you're doing is basically you have to leave a 5mm gap. I would say 5mm. Some people in the comments, by all means comment, they might say, no, you don't, more, you don't. But anyway, I'm going to leave a 5mm gap. And some gaps are bigger than others as the skirting board dips in and weaves all over the place because your walls could be out. So just go around making sure that it fits. Like I've got a massive gap here. So I'll just get this here, check that covers and you won't see it. So that's going to be absolutely spot on. If you are going to see it, then basically you've just got to alter it and move it about a little bit. Another little thing, another tip is this. You've got your lip here. You can see that on camera there. You've got a lip there. You want that at the front, okay? And then what happens is, you've got that at that side, so you've got your lip here at that side, and then you've got a lip here. This side. Now this bit goes into there, slots in, so everything, so what you want to be doing is you want to be slotting the small end into here, like so, and you want to be slotting the small end into there, like so, on that end. Now, when you come to obviously measuring them, what I do is I get the opposite end that's going to click into there, and then what I do is, the end that's going to click into there I put towards the wall, like so, like this. Okay, and I give it a couple of mil off the wall. You probably won't be able to see it. So I go a couple of mil off the wall, like so. And then all I do is just get my pencil and I just mark it. So I've just marked it there, okay? Once I've done that, I'll then get my saw. Now this has a 45-degree angle. Sorry, start again. This is a 90-degree angle, so all you do is get your saw like so and just mark it. And basically you've got your mark going across there. So when you come to obviously cut this, which I'm going to show you in a moment, that then just slots into there. So I'll go cut this now, and then what we'll do is we'll come back and I'll show you how to slot it in. Now, just in case you've got your cut, and then you've got your lip, your big lip there, just slot it in there. And what? That's in now. That's locked together. That easy. All you do then is make sure that doesn't move because I want the gap. Basically get another cut. Alright, this cut here, turn it round and just slot it in, like so.
And then that all starts clicking together, lovely.
That starts clicking together lovely, so you have no problems. So, that's that now. I'll obviously cut that end down exactly the same and I'll start getting on with it, so let's get that done. So what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to create this around here. This is an old bit that came up from downstairs. It's a bit knackered now, but anyway, that's what I'm trying to create. And how you do that is this, is as you can see now what I'm doing is I'm cutting it all down, and then what I'm going to do, I've got some mitre fast here. All you do is just get your little bits that go like that. Okay, and then pour this bit on here. Oh no, I'll tell you what, I'll spray this first. Spray this. Okay, pour your little bit on here, like so. And it's just a case of just sticking it on. Like so. Here we go. And we go just like that. It's all stuck on. Do the same the other side. So there we go. That's perfect. Now, what you're doing is I'm basically putting this on like this, like so. I'm giving it like a nice little edge there. Nice little edge there, something fancy to go around the radiator. I've put this on here. Now, so you're not messing on, you're getting holes and everything. I've got some double-sided tape that you put in windows, but I like to do it this way. And all you do is you tilt that over like so. Make sure you get that's your right size. Now it doesn't matter if you stick this to the floor or stick this to the skirting board, it doesn't matter because it'll move anyway. I'm going to stick it to the skirting board. So all you do though is don't do both sides, because then what happens when it starts moving the floor, that's why you've got these gaps, it starts causing problems and issues, and that's not what you want. So what I'll do then is take this off here, like so. And then push this to the floor, push this like that, and then stick it on there like so. And there we go. Your squash is done, ready. So that is alright. Happy days. Right, there we go. As you can see now, I'm showing you all the laminate flooring's all done, all sorted at last. And obviously this is the end now to the full restoration of obviously where me and the wife are going to be putting all our shoes and all that good stuff like this here, and where we're going to be putting our clothes. So I'm absolutely over the moon, and that's how you put down laminate flooring with a minimum amount of tools really. You don't need many. So, I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching, and take care. I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.